सदैकप्रियदर्शनम् अज्ञाननाशकं देवं सद्गुरुं मुरलीधरम्
आवर्तनो निवृत्तात्मा संवृतः सम्प्रमर्दनः अहः संवर्तको वह्नेरनिलो धरणीधरः आवर्तनाय नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Samsara Chakram Avartayitum Sheelam Asyeti Avartanaha. It is Bhagavan who turns the wheel of life. So Bhagavan is called Avartanaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Samsara Ghati Yantra Parivartanat Avartanaha. He also says, Bhagavan turns the wheel of samsara, so he is called Avartanaha. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan himself says, Ishvaraha sarvabhutanam hriddeshe arjuna tishtati brahmayan sarvabhutani yantrarudhani mayaya. He says, O Arjuna, Lord dwells in the heart of all beings and by his maya, he makes all the beings revolve as though mounted on a machine. Mahabharata says, Kala Chakram, Jagat Chakram, Yuga Chakram cha Keshavaha, Atma Yogena Bhagavan, Parivartayate Anisham. By his yogic powers, Bhagavan Keshava is incessantly rotating the wheel of time, the wheel of universe, and the wheel of yugas. So Bhagavan is called Avartanaha.
Nivritatmane Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Samsara Bandhat Nivritta Atma Swarupam Asyeti Nivrittatma. Bhagavan is free from the bonds of samsara or worldly life. Since Bhagavan is the unbound self, he is called Nivrittatma. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Tata samsara vibhutehe tripad vibhutikatvena nivrittam udgatam swarupam yasya saha nivrittatma. Bhagavan's swarupa or nature is superior to everything else. He has this superior personality because he is the master of the transcendental glory, which is 3 times the glory of the material world, says Sri Parashara Bhattar. So Bhagavan is called Nivrittatma.
Samvritaya Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Achadikaya avidyaya samvritatvat samvritaha. Bhagavan is veiled by ignorance. In Srimad Bhagavatam, the Queen Kunti Devi says, Namasye Purusham Tvadyam Ishwaram Prakritev Param Alakshyam Sarvabhutanam Antarbahi Ravasthitam Maya Javanikachannam Ajnadhokshajam Abhyayam Na Lakshase Mudhadrisha Nato Natya Dharo Yatha. Though Bhagavan resides right within us, we do not perceive him because we are blinded by his maya and by our ignorance, which acts as a curtain that hides Bhagavan from us. Since Bhagavan is veiled by ignorance, he is called Samvritaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Tamasaha parastat iti tamasanam mudhanam gudhatvat samvritaha. Bhagavan is hidden or invisible to the unenlightened ones in whom tamoguna predominates. So Bhagavan is called Samvritaha.
Sampramardhanaya Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Samyak pramardayati rudra kaladhyabhihi vibhutibihi iti sampramardanaha. As Rudra, Kala and death, Bhagavan crushes everything. So he is called Sampramardanaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Samvaranam tamaha svavidyaya sampramardayati iti sampramardanaha. Bhagavan dispels the darkness of ignorance which covers him by the light of his knowledge. So Bhagavan is called Sampramardanaha.
अहः संवर्तकाय नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Samyaganham pravartanat suryah ahasamvartakaha. As the sun, Bhagavan regulates the day, so he is called ahasamvartakaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Aharupalakshita kala parivritti hetuhu ahasamvartakaha. Bhagavan is the cause for the revolution of the day and other divisions of time. So he is called ahasamvartakaha.
वह्नये नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Vahanat Banhihi. As fire, it is Bhagavan who carries the oblations to the Devas, so Bhagavan is called Banhihi. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Desha Rupena Vishwam Bhati iti Banhihi. Since Bhagavan bears this entire universe in the form of space, Bhagavan is called Banhihi.
अनिलाय नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Anaditvat Anilaha. Since Bhagavan is Anadi, he is the one without beginning, Bhagavan is called Anilaha. Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal further says, Anadata Anilayo va Anilaha. Air carries the smell of whatever it touches, be it pleasant or unpleasant, but it is not affected by it, is it not? Similarly, Bhagavan is unaffected by vice or virtue. So Bhagavan is called Anilaha. He is called Anilaha also because he is beyond dissolution. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Evam Yesham Ananat Ujjivanat Anilaha. Bhagavan is called Anilaha because it is he alone who can bestow the life breath on all beings. So he is called Anilaha.
धरणीधराय नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Shesha Rupena cha Dharanim Datta iti Dharanidharaha. In the form of Adisesha, the divine serpent, Bhagavan bears this entire earth. So he is called Dharanidharaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Anyadapi Dharakam Dharayati iti Dharanidharaha. Bhagavan bears all, like Adisesha, the earth, etc., who bear the others. So Bhagavan is called Dharanidharaha. Remembering Bhagavan who supports or bears all, let us offer this day to Bhagavan by chanting Maha Mantra 3 times. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Radhe Radhe.